update social media shared image and tagline of a WordPress site. When we update our WordPress website, sometimes it's very frustrating that when we are sharing the URL, announcing the changes on Facebook and other social media platforms, that the preview image showed and the tagline associated with it are out of date. This is easy to correct if you have a free Yoast SEO plugin installed. See how to do it in this video. So, if you are trying to share in Facebook your website with URL, Facebook pulls out information, an image and some blurb, some text, but sometimes it's not what we wanted to show. So how do we change this? If we have a WordPress site, we log into our WordPress site and we check in the column on the left if we have this Yoast SEO plugin installed. If we don't have, we just can go, because it's a free plugin, we can go plugins, add new there. And once we are here, we can search plugins and we can put the name of the plugin here. And you will see it showing up here, usually in the top. In my case, says that it's active because it's installed, but if it's not installed, I will have the button that says install now. I click on that button, then I click on activate, and afterwards it shows up here on the side. Once I have it there, I just have to click on it and then go to, and there are all these options, pick on social. And now I have these tabs. I go to the Facebook tab. I make sure that the Open Graph metadata is enabled. So if it's like this, it's disabled. If it's like this, is enabled. And now I don't worry about Facebook ID. I don't have an app to put an ID there. I can go here to default settings, the image URL. And I go here, upload the image. If I already have the image upload, I can select, or I can just go here, upload files, select files from my computer, and then select the image here. And we want the image to be 1200 by 627 pixels. And so I select open. Now it shows up in my media library here. I can see it here. So I can go use this image. And now the URL of the image is there. And I just have to click Save Changes there, that blue button. And this is what I need to do at this stage on the plugin itself. Then I can go to the home page. And one of the easiest ways is going here at the top where I see home and go visit site, and that will take me to the home page, the front page of the site. Once I'm here, I can just click on the edit page there at the top. And when I'm in the edit version of the page, that usually doesn't have anything here, because we control what shows up in the home page, usually in a WordPress site in another place, but we have the plugins that are associated there. And one of the plugins that sometimes we really only see like this, we see here all the plugins, and we have this little triangle showing up there that we can click to open the plugin, and we want to go to this first one, that is the content optimization, and is the Snippet preview in this case, and click on Edit Snippet. And then I have several things here that you can see, the Seo Title, and this is the first thing that we can edit. There is some pre-values here that are what they call the snippet variables that we can insert, but usually is better. Just click on the box, delete this, and put exactly the text that we want to show up there. So I'm going here to my notes and going to pull out the text that I want to show up there. And then on the meta description, you can edit also. And then you save these edits by clicking on here, update the page. So very easy is updating the page. We have edit the SEO title. If we had anything to edit in the meta description, we had done it, and then we save it by clicking on the update page. Then we can check how this looks like by going to what is called the Facebook Debugger. That is this website that will have a link under the video to it. But it's developers.facebook.com/tools/debug will take us to this page that we can then just write the website URL there and click the button that says sharing debugger to see how it's supposed to be shared on Facebook. As you can see, still the old image. So I here time scrap again. I click there to see for the system to pull the new. It's still showing up the old. Sometimes we have to do this twice or 3 times until it pulls out the new image here that I upload, the tagline that I want, and the description there. So now I know that if I go to Facebook, and I'm going to copy this and not publish that, if I don't refresh, it still pulls out by memory the first thing. But if I refresh the page, I'm just going to reload. I'm not saving anything. I'm reloading, refreshing the page. Now, if I'm going here and go, and now pulls up the right image here, and I just have to click on the share to share this. This was another testing that I was doing. I'm going to delete it. And we always can edit, delete things, and here I have with the right image that I want. So it's very easy. So just remember that sometimes we have to refresh to see the changes, and sometimes can take a couple of minutes to see the changes. This is called the Open Graph, protocol that is supported by a wide range of social platforms besides Facebook. However, we find that on LinkedIn and Twitter, it works better to share the image and then add the text with our website URL. So let's look here on LinkedIn. So we are here on LinkedIn. We go to the tab Home, where we have always there the Start a Post. We click on the Start a Post, and then we go here to the image, the camera symbol there that allow us to select an image. So I open that. Now I have the image here. I can click on the Next button there. I can add the text here with the URL. And then I can tag people, I can put hashtags, and then I can just post it. And once it's posted, I can check it here. And I always, in LinkedIn, I can edit the post, I can delete the post from here. So very easy to do, and the image shows up very, very nicely there. In Twitter, it's similar. If we go to Twitter, we have the tweet button here at the top right. We click there. And then we have here the symbol for add photos or videos. We click there. We select the photo that we want, or the image that we want associated with URL to share. Click on Open to select. Now we add the text there. Again, we can put hashtags. We can put other things there, and then we click on Tweet to confirm, and your tweet was sent. To see it, I have to refresh here the page. Now shows up here. I see if I like. In this case, I only can, if I don't like, I can delete and try it again. So it's very easy to do when you know how. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this, and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Malikian, the founder of TechTipForCoaches.com.